During 2020, Ryco Filters identified around 76,000 Australian businesses with registered trucks. This contributes to a total fleet of over 600,000 trucks on our roads. And Japanese branded trucks are the most popular. These nimble workhorses are constantly running up and down the coast in regional centres and local suburbs, doing the work the line haul trucks simply can't. They are critical in the supply chain to ensure Aussie households receive the goods and services they require. From logistics, emergency services, waste management and construction, Japanese trucks are in high demand. If it's your job to keep them moving, it's good to know that Ryco have your filtration needs covered. Currently, Ryco have application matches to 96% of the Japanese trucks on our roads. From air filters, both primary and secondary, oil and fuel filters, to cabin air filters, even PCV filters, the range is extensive. Each filter is produced with the Ryco design philosophy, focused on quality and measurable performance, to meet or exceed original equipment while delivering genuine performance based on what we refer to as ALF, the measure of efficiency, life and flow. This is why we provide the convenience of single part number lubricant service kits. Ryco produce the largest range from any supplier, with 50 Japanese truck service kits to suit popular makes across the Isuzu, Hino, Fuso and UD truck range. With just one part number, you have all the required filters to complete a lubrication service, streamlining your inventory, simplifying your stock orders, and ensuring you have everything you need in the one box. A lubricant service kit will always include the oil and fuel filters. But there are some applications where it's industry best practice to replace the PCV filter at the same time. In those cases, that filter is included in the box. Now, this is all very good for operations, but as a technician, your time is just as valuable. Our engineers and product managers strive to innovate and look for ways to make the job at hand easier. We know it's the little things that can cost a job the most time. Because of that, we package a replacement sump plug washer in every Japanese truck service kit, saving you time from locating this often critical maintenance item. Our service kits are also clearly labelled with not only our part numbers, but an interchange reference table with the OEM part numbers. At a glance, you can confirm the filter you're pulling out is interchangeable with the supplied Ryco service kit items. We know that if you can order and fit the one brand of filtration, it will also make your life easier. And Ryco stock a full range of air filters, both inner and outer, to match our 50 Japanese truck service kits, creating a family of filters and delivering all the parts you need to get the job done the first time. Remember, every Ryco filter is designed to meet or exceed the OE specification, and using a Ryco filter will protect your new truck warranty. We back that promise, having one of the only dedicated filtration labs based here in Melbourne, where our team of engineers ensures each product meets the required specifications across those key measures of efficiency, life and flow. The extensive range of Ryco filters and Japanese truck service kits are available from your local Ryco stockist. Thank you for watching.